Ito guys, ito yung anak ni Pacquiao, si Iman Bacosa. Talagang kamukha talaga ni Manny Pacquiao, yung anak ni Pacquiao. Kasi yung magkamukha talaga sila, no? So, 4 rounds to guys, yung laban ni Iman Bacosa. So, pangalawang laban na yata dito. So, alam ko po parang pangalawang laban yata niya dito ni Iman Bacosa. So, ito yung anak ni Pacquiao. Kamukha talaga ni Pacquiao dito eh. So, panoorin natin ito. So pangatlo. So, pangatlong laban pala ni Iman Bacosa, Pacquiao. Laki din pala. So first round. Uy, may lakas din pala yung anak ni Pacquiao dito, si Iman Bacosa. Talagang parehas ang galawan ni Pacquiao. Ganyan mga galawan ni Pacquiao dati, oh.
Nice combinations thrown by Bacosa.
Talagang kamukha ni Pacquiao, no?
Si Paclohan is retreating.
Mababa.
Iman Bacosa.
Marunong. Uy! Masyadong binababa yung kamay ni Iman Bacosa dito. Likado siya doon.
Referee Oliver Garcia warning Paclohan for excessive holding very early in this fight.
Tangkad din pala ito si Iman Bacosa, oh. Ganda ng straight ni Iman Bacosa doon, oh. Galing lang umiwas yung kalaban.
But that time,
engaging.
Bacosa throwing punches to the side of the body. Right hand scored by Bacosa. Stop. Okay, ready.
4 rounders.
To establish his
marunong na. Malakas yung strike ni Iman Bacosa dito. Hindi lang tumatama.
Masyadong magalaw ito si Paclohan. Just moving away from Bacosa.
Uy, tumama yung hook ni Iman Bacosa doon, oh.
That was a hard shot to the face.
Nasaktan din yung kalaban ni Iman Bacosa doon. Sabi ni Coach Jones, diretso lang. Oh, tinumama na naman, oh. Tumama.
Pagpikit-pikit ang mga mata ni Paclohan pag tinatamaan siya ni Bacosa.
Kasi may lakas din, eh.
Paclohan using that left jab to try to keep
may lakas din si Iman Bacosa di kasi. Ang tangkad pa.
Throwing that right hand is Paclohan. Good defense by Bacosa carrying that blow.
Galing, naka-defense. Ingat sa ulo. Laro. Oh, yung galing.
Bacosa, a wild swing by Paclohan. Hitting nothing but air.
Uy, ganda ng ball shot. Uy! Sakta na yun, oh.
Missing with that wild right. Tumutukot dito si Paclohan. His legs aren't steady. Right hand scored by Bacosa. He comes charging in.
Yes, oh.
Spraying blows.
Tapang din bata, no? Talagang mayroon talagang dong Pacquiao talaga, no? Tapang, eh. So, ipo-forward natin to, guys. Para doon tayo sa bakbakan. Mas paganda. Wait lang. Wala.
Punches of the round brought to you by San Miguel Beer. Round number 2 coming up.
Round number 2.
Tandaan po natin, last fight po ni Bacosa, hindi po pumasok sa round number 2. Round number 1, tinalo sa mga ni Bacosa. Now we're in round number 2.
So, ibig sabihin, may knockout talaga to. Knockout puncher din pala to si Iman Bacosa talaga. Uy! Knockout. Sinamahan ng hook doon.
Mabibilangan si...
Yan na, nabilangan na nga, oh.
That's a knockdown scored by Bacosa in round number 2.
Tumama na naman, oh.
And the connection coming from Bacosa.
Tapang ni Imam Bacosa talaga dito.
Bacosa is his progress in the defensive side.
Dami rin manuntok pala tong bata to.
Punches and Baclohan using his head to move Bacosa away, pinning him to the ropes. Bacosa with a left jab.
Naku, wala na to.
Then pounding away at Baclohan, who's showing no offense at this stage.
Natutulala siya. Basta tinatamaan dito eh. Tinatamaan ni Imam Bacosa yung kalaban ni Iman, no? Hindi na masyado maka-counter talaga. Pagod na yung kalaban ni Imam Bacosa, oh. Wala naman kumpiyansa. Body shot daw, body shot.
There's a lot of holding going on. Again, referee Oliver Garcia breaking up the fighters. Magandang timing ni Bacosa. Hinihintay niyang pumasok yung right swing ni Baclohan. Tapos iniiwasan
siya. Yun! Tumama na naman. Uy, body shot.
Connecting with the right hand. Baclohan taking a lot of punishment. He has been down once in this round.
May pagsabayan talaga si Imam Bacosa dito.
Trying to get back to Bacosa.
Ang grabe talaga.
Crowd loving the action. Baclohan is not stepping back, he's not backing off.
Gagaling pa tong bata to.
At sabi niya,
talagang matapang.
Wild swing by Baclohan. Then very quickly on the attack is Bacosa.
Ayan na nga, bumagsak na naman.
Second knockdown scored by Bacosa in this
na
round.
naman.
That time, Baclohan taking the shot squarely in the face. Is he gonna be good enough to continue? Referee says, let's get it on.
Bumagsak na naman, bumagsak na naman. Dalawang beses na bumagsak, ah. So, pala natin ulit. Tayo sa...
And going down considerably improved.
Ayan na, round 3 guys. Puro swim, oh. Grabe bakbakan talaga, oh. Grabe, magpagsabayan talaga si Imam Bacosa dito, oh. Grabe, oh. Talagang pakyaw na pakyaw talaga yung puso niya, no? Talagang may sabayan talaga siya, eh. Talagang mayroon talaga pinagmanahan. Ay, wala na. Talo na, guys. Talo na. Grabe bata to. Talagang mayroon talaga to potential. May lakas, may lakas. Tapang. Knockout, knockout.